right. Got her all ran. All set. Everything's nice and dry. System's holding pressure. Nicely done. Xander's putting the wheel on.
Oh wait, I forgot the other thing.
Gotta put the thingy on. But this thing's ready to go on a test drive. Yay. So I'm getting ready to do a test drive, and this is the shit I see. Ay, ay, ay. Anyway, okay.
Hey, when you get back, you want to air up the tire.
Yep. Have them get the compressor ready. Right. You can hear the hubcap brackets rattling about. Adam's got the hubcaps, so we're good there. This baby drives nice and smooth.